Hello everyone, Rachel here with Rachelsuniquecrafts, and we're fixing to make some strawberry cheesecake fat bombs. So I'm going to turn you down, and I will put the recipe in the description of the video. Okay, this is on keto. It's a keto recipe, and I think I got the recipe from Amy Smith Hightower on Facebook. Okay, so first of all, we're going to use 1/4 cup of butter, and it has to be at room temperature so that it will be easy to mix up. Okay, so 1/4 cup, that's half of a stick. And then we're going to use 3/4 a cup of cream cheese. So a cup is 8 ounces, and this is 8 ounces. So I'm going to need about 3/4 of it. And I just dropped it on the wax paper. Okay. Because it is at room temperature also. Alright, let me get me a fork here. And these are pretty soft because I do have them at room temperature. Kind of hard to mix. Kind of up there where y'all can see, but we're just going to mix our butter and our cream cheese together. Just mix them real good, because this is going to, if this is not mixed real good, then the rest of it just won't taste good, because if your butter and your cream cheese is not kind of evened out, I guess that's the way you would say it. There, maybe that's better. So I'm just whipping it together. Okay. It's a little thick. That's because cream cheese and butter are both pretty thick. Okay, we're going to use, I was going to double my recipe, but I didn't have another block of cream cheese laid out, so we're just going to do the single. So it calls for 2 teaspoons of Swerve. You can get that on Amazon, or I think Walmart has actually started selling it. So 2 teaspoons of Swerve. Try not to miss anything, because on my last one I got to redo a video because I missed a step. Okay, so we're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you've got vanilla bean, that would be fine too. Mix this up real good. This is going to be a 2-part video, and I will put it together. But once we get these made, I will put them on this wax paper, and then you have to freeze them. So I will be back after I freeze them and show y'all the end product. So now we're going to take half of a cup of strawberries, and was gonna, like I said, was gonna do two batches, double my recipe, but I did not lay out enough cream cheese, so, and I did not want to wait another hour or two to let it get at room temperature. And you're not supposed to like melt your butter in the microwave or on the stove or anything. It's supposed to be at room temperature naturally. So I just cut up strawberries into little tiny chunks. So it's all about just mixing your butter, your cream cheese, your swerve, your vanilla extract or your vanilla bean, whichever one you have. And then cutting up your strawberries real fine. And that's your mixture. So now what we'll do is, I have wax paper right here. We will take them and just, ever how big you want them. I make them small in case, you know, I just need a little bit of something, or and if I need more, I just get 2 or 3 of them. But if you're in a stall, you need something sweet, or you need a little bit of more fat in your diet for that day, you just grab you a couple of little fat bombs. Yo, I hate saying that word on here because they hunt for words in the algorithm, and I don't want to be flagged for making something like that, but anyway, y'all know what it is. It's right here. So, these would be good just to take a spoonful right now, but I'm going to freeze them, and we're going to come back and just see. And they're not, you know, you can make them in little circles, little balls if you want to. I'm just making a little dollop. And these are really good. Really, really good. So I've almost got them all dolloped out here. I'm going to put them on we'll slide this wax paper, it's a little bit much, onto a cookie sheet. Put them in my freezer, probably an hour or so. I'll try to time it and see. I don't get busy doing something and forget to just check them every little bit, but that's all it is to it. Now you can make some that's peanut butter. I'll try to get that recipe out and do some with it. I like the cream cheese and the strawberry myself. Peanut butter seems to hold weight on me, so if you scrape your bowl with one of these, you'll find that a lot of your stuff is, you get a good bit out of it just by the stuff that's left in the bowl. That's how much that was left in the bowl. So, There we go. A dollar for Daisy. That's a little bitty one. I'll add that to that one. Okay. Get to lick it. I'm going to get it turned right. Go put these in the freezer, and I'll be back when they get frozen. Let y'all know how they turned out. Okay, see y'all in a bit. Hey, I'm back. Okay, so I left these in the freezer for a few hours, and this is what they look like. They got the strawberries, cream cheese, butter, vanilla extract. They're very good. Now, what I did after I got them frozen is, let me turn you down here. There, that might be better. I just have freezer Ziploc bags, and I just lay them flat and put them inside the freezer just like that. And that way, when I want one, you just take them out and eat them. And voila, they're done. But they are very, very good. So when you need, I don't keep up with macros. A lot of people do. I don't. But you can tell when, you know, if you're eating a lot of protein, not getting a lot of greens and stuff, I would recommend eating one of these. And they're very good. Anything with cream cheese and strawberries. So, anyway, these are very easy. I hope you give them a try. All right, y'all. Have a great day. Remember that I love you all. And y'all get to craft and make something beautiful, or get in the kitchen and make something yummy. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.